Hey there, and thanks for tuning in. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change your password in the Temu app using an Android phone. Whether you forgot your password or just want to update it for security reasons, this step-by-step guide will help you change it easily and quickly. First, open the Temu app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the profile icon. Then, once your profile page opens, click the settings icon in the top right. After that, select Account Security from the list of options. Now, tap on Password to continue. At this point, you'll need to enter your current password in the first field. Then, type your new password in the second field. In the third field, confirm your new password by entering it again. Finally, click on Submit to save the changes. Make sure to remember your new password or save it somewhere safe. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password in the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it.